In this video I'm going to show you how to change the oil and oil filter in this Nissan Almera 2004. Let's get started. This is the oil filter location. Here you can drain the oil, and over here this is the new filter. Install it, of course lubricate the gasket. Now we can drain the oil. This is snug, and from here a little bit more. That's it. We clean a little bit our mess. We need to level to be about here. Between these dots in the middle is very good. As you can see, the level is in the max. Now we need to start the car so the engine can use the oil in the oil filter, fill it up, and then the level should be down and we check again. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys like always in the next video.